Alright, this is what we have to deal with every time it rains. The sewer cap is blown off, all the water's pouring out. Go back. Then we get the stupid cars that come through. Go back. Go back! Look at the street. And you want me to pay my sewer bill, right? $135 just for the sewer. All right, come this way. Look at my house now. I'm taking a video because nobody seems to believe this. All right, this is the middle of the street and the water is up to my knees. Okay. All right, now forget it. It's up to my thighs now. This is my house, and I'm shaking because I'm so damn mad. When is something going to be done? Nice. Do you want to come here and clean up? Because I'm sick of it. And it's still coming up, and it's halfway up my door. And I got all the shit from the sewer swimming around my legs. This is Penelope Avenue. Look at this car on the corner. This is a limousine. All right? Forget this. I can't even walk in it. This is somebody's wall. It's halfway up the wall. The corner. I'll watch this genius try to, oh no, this one's smart. They come through and the waves come all the way in my house. All right? This is 72nd and Penelope. It goes halfway down the block and it's still coming. Still coming. See by the cars how high it is? And I'm in the low part right now. Here's another sewer, bubbling, water shooting up. Nice. I'm going to walk in the middle of the street. One day I'm just going to get electrocuted, but that's okay. I have to pay my water bill. I mustn't forget. Here's another sewer. Water's still pouring out. Ow. Lord knows where the hell I'm walking. All right, look, it's still coming. There's my garage, half full. Beautiful, right? Beautiful. Forget it. I don't know whose it is. I don't know what. It's not my responsibility. Okay, look at my legs. Is this aimed at my legs? I don't know. Well, it's up to my ass now. That's nice. Alright, still coming up. And that's my story.